Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
How long does a trespass warning last in Florida? This is a question that causes a lot of confusion, and the answer is critical because it's not a simple time frame like 1 or 2 years. The most important thing to understand is that, under Florida law, a trespass warning does not have a set expiration date. It can, in theory, last forever. A trespass warning is essentially a formal notice from a property owner, or someone acting on their behalf like a manager or a police officer, telling you that you are no longer welcome on that specific piece of property. Once that warning is issued, whether it's given to you verbally or in writing, it remains in full force and effect indefinitely. It doesn't just fall off your record after a certain amount of time passes. The only way for a trespass warning to be lifted is for the person who has the authority over the property to formally rescind it. This means the property owner or manager must explicitly give you permission to return. It is always highly recommended to get this permission in writing to avoid any future misunderstandings or disputes. If you ignore a valid trespass warning and return to the property, you are committing a criminal offense. This elevates the situation from a simple warning to a criminal act of trespass after warning, which is a misdemeanor in Florida and can lead to your arrest, fines, and even jail time. It's also important to recognize the difference between private and public property. For private property, like a shopping mall, a convenience store, or someone's private residence, the owner has a very strong right to control who can and cannot be there. For public property, like a city park or a government building, the situation can be more nuanced, but authorities can still issue lawful trespass warnings for specific areas if a person is being disruptive or violating rules. So, if you are ever issued a trespass warning, the smartest thing to do is to leave the property immediately and without argument. Do not go back for any reason unless you have been given clear, explicit permission to do so. Remember, the duration isn't set by a calendar, it's set by the will of the property owner. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful and would like to see more content that breaks down legal topics, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.